In this video, I'll go over the login and homepage of the CSSP input tool. Next, click on Open Sampling Plan and select from the CSSP Lab Sheets folder the appropriate sampling plan. At the bottom, the status bar will give you additional information. Next, type in your initials. The application will automatically capitalize the letters. Next, enter your access code. This access code is predetermined in the sampling plan itself. This is the home screen of the input tool. On the top row, it tells you what kind of sampling plan was loaded, subsector routine A1 for this one. The Home and Send to Environment Canada button are not active at this point, and the Log Off button will take you back to the Open Sampling Plan login page. The second row has a drop-down menu which has the list of subsectors that were selected in the sampling plan. They are ordered by subsector number and name in ascending order. The next column over is the date. This is where you would select your sampling date. If you need to select a different month, you would click on the month and year on top and select the appropriate month. Or if you need a different year, click on the year and select the appropriate year. The next box over defaults to run 1 on this date. This box is only used if a subsector was sampled twice in the same day or perhaps additional times in the same day. The Update Dataset button has 3 functions. First, it will send all your data sheets from your local C drive to a backup folder selected on the sampling plan. This location can also be changed manually here. Secondly, it will also send from this backup folder to your local C drive all the data sheets that are present there. Thirdly, it will update the status of the lab sheets currently on your C drive. More on this later. When clicking on Update Dataset, a new screen will pop up. The left portion of the screen is the sender local information, and the right side of the screen is the receiver or server, or in other words, the backup folder. The top row here shows you the name of the document in question that is going to be sent from the local to the server. If you scroll down, you will see in red what are the differences between the two documents. Pressing Cancel will return you to the home screen. Pressing Skip will move on to the next issue that needs to be addressed. In this case, there were none. And pressing Copy will copy over the read information over to this receiver and overwrite the previous information. This enables users to ensure that they are working on the latest version of the documents without overwriting important information. The next features are filtering options. Users can either filter lab sheets by date, or by subsector name, users can also sort data sheets by their status. Clicking here will show data sheets that are either in change status or rejected. In this case, there are none. And users can also choose to view sheets that are in the total coliform category. In this case, there are none. When clicking on a specific data sheet, the log will open up at the bottom. This log shows every entry with a date stamp and initials of who entered the data. Also, 2 new options are available. The Delete Lab Sheet button is now available. This would delete the selected datasheet, a pop-up box will appear asking users if they are certain they want to delete. If you click yes, the sheet will be removed from the input tool screen here, and on your local drive, the file will be changed to delete. It will still be present in case the deletion was made by accident. Here is an example of two datasheets that were previously deleted, but still kept in the CSSP Lab Sheets folder on your local C drive. If you're unsure at any point where a specific datasheet is stored, you can refer to the top section here that shows you the correct path. The second option that's now available is the Open button. Alternatively, users can double-click on a specific datasheet to take you to the datasheet screen.